Create a ratio table for making lemonade with a lemon juice to water ratio. Of 1 to 3. Show how much lemon juice would be needed if you use 36 cups of water to make lemonade. So if we had 1 to 3, and at the end we want 36 cups of water. Let's see, if we had 2, that would be 6. If we had 12, that would be 4. If we had 24, 3 times 8 is 24, so 1 times 8 would go here. 3 times 12 makes 36, so 1 times 12 needs to go there. How is the value of the ratio used to create the table? Each time the lemon is increased by 1, the water is increased by 3. The water is always 3 times more than the lemon. Twelve times 3 makes 36. 8 times 3 makes 24. 4 times 3 makes 12. 2 times 3 makes 6. Number 2. Ryan made a table to show how much blue and red paint he mixed to get the shade of purple he will use to paint the room. He wants to use the table to make larger and smaller batches of purple paint. What ratio was used to create this table? Well, I have a 12 to 3, but I can reduce that. 12 has a factor of 3 in it. If I divide both of those by 3, I get 4 to 1. B, how are the values in each row related to each other? These are multiple. Whoa. The blue paint is 4 times the red. If you see 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 4 is 20, 7 times 4 is 28, 9 times 4 is 36. How are the values in each column related to each other? So these, what's the difference here? 12 plus 8 makes 20. 20 plus 8 makes 28. And 28 plus 8 makes 36. So the blue column increases by 8 each time. And the red, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2. So the red increases by 2 each time. And you might even notice that 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So even the difference in the columns is 4 times as much.